So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get an animated background in Chrome just like this. So here, this is a normal Chrome, so you can probably see this, and this is the and it's purple because of selected purple color theme. Also, to do this trick you need to have this option right here. Without this it won't work. So now I gotta find a GIF that I want to use. So I want to use this GIF. Now I right click on it. Now you need to click save image as. I want to select save it in my desktop. Now if you can see this .gif extension, you can just rename it to PNG. You have to do this to PNG or it won't work. But if it's just like this, then you gotta change it to all files and then do .png. And now you're gonna save it. You can see it downloads. I'm gonna click on a new tab and I'm gonna click on customize Chrome. Now here there's upload from device. So you click on this, go to your desktop where you saved it, click on that and open. And there you have it, guys. You have an animated background. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something for it. So make sure to like and subscribe, and click on the bell icon and set it to all so you never miss another great video like this, and I'll see you in the next one.